Thank you, Brazil, for tuning in with me. It's really nice because I got to see your designs. You get to see my designs, and I learned.
When is your birthday? She said, will there be a surprise sale for her birthday? Cece
Uh,
said that.
the announcement will be is sometime next week for the specials. Yeah, so then that's gonna be used for. But as something is coming up, well, of course, you know that we are going to launch ours acrylic line, which is
Oh, her
dying.
birthday is
When is your birthday,
January
Cece?
3rd.
Oh, it's coming. Cece is coming. So I'm using a light brush to just like clean and give it a little quick swipe, so then it's blending out all that excess precision glue gel. So then that way when you cure, it's gonna look really nice and flawless. All right, cure for 60 seconds. I'm so excited, and thank you so much for a lot love and support. This year is kind of a little bit crazy for all of us, but you know, we're thinking about the best things and positive things, and I know for sure that each of you will have really great. What her IG's Nancy, Bellish Nails. I'm gonna.
I just responded to her.
Oh, okay.
So you should see my response right there. That's my IG.
Why you type so fast and you're still doing it?
Yes.